3.
Hello, my name is Diya and I'm going to show you how we stop hiccups. So, you take a glass of water and you drink it from the opposite side like this, and the glass of water has to be filled to the very top, and then you do this. You drink it from the opposite side and then you take a big gulp and when you do it. And then normally it stops. It doesn't always. If it doesn't stop, then you can do it again and again. It's a good technique. And the other way is you take your water. You take a big gulp. And the other way is okay, those are the 3 ways I have. If you know any other ways, you can try them out. Bye!